Hello children, how are you? Once again, welcome back to online economics classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today, we are going to study about the interstate disparities and the global poverty scenario. First of all, we are going to study about the interstate disparities. Dear students, the proportion of people are not same in every state. The estimates show that the All India head count ratio was 21.9%. But the states such as Odisha and Bihar continue to be the two poorest states with the poverty ratio 33.7% and 32.6% respectively. What is head count ratio? The proportion of people below the poverty line is known as head count ratio. So the estimates show that the All India head count ratio was 21.9% in 2011 and 12. And which are the two states are very poorest? Odisha and Bihar. Odisha and Bihar continue to be the two poorest states with a poverty ratio 33.7 and 32.6% respectively. Dear children, there has been a significant decline in poverty in Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and West Bengal. But states such as Punjab and Haryana have traditionally succeeded in reducing poverty with the help of agricultural growth rates. States such as Punjab and Haryana have traditionally succeeded in reducing the poverty with the help of agricultural growth rates. Kerala has focused more on human resource development through education and skill. In West Bengal, land reform measures for the cultivation of crops have helped in reducing the poverty. In Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, the public distribution of food grains could have been responsible for reducing the poverty. Public distribution of food grains through the ration shops could have been responsible for reducing the poverty in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Dear students, I have a question for you. Which states of India have seen a significant decline in poverty? Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat, etc. Dear students, let us discuss about the poverty ratio in selected Indian states as per the 2011-12 census with the help of graph. Here you can see Chhattisgarh. The poverty ratio in Chhattisgarh is 39.9%, Jharkhand 37%, Manipur 36.9%, Bihar 33.7%. Kerala, in the right side you can see Kerala 7.1, Punjab 8.1, Andhra Pradesh 8.3, Haryana 9.2, Tamil Nadu 11.2. Dear students, there has been a significant decline in poverty in Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and West Bengal. The proportion of people in different countries living in extreme economic poverty, defined by the World Bank as living on less than $1.90 per day, has fallen from 36% in 1990 to 10% in 2015. Actually, the poverty declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian countries as a result of rapid economic growth and massive investments in human resource development. Okay, the poverty declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian country. Okay, example India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, etc. Okay, as a result of rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development such as education and skill. The number of birds in China has come down from 88.3% in 1981 to 14.7% in 2008 to 0.7% in 2015. Similarly, in the countries of South Asia, example India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, the decline has also been rapid, 34% in 2005 to 16.2% in 2013. Dear children, I would like to wind up this session. Today we studied about interstate disparity and global poverty scenario. I hope you understood this topic very well. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. Attend the test paper. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.